Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how German window looks like. Oh my god, the English is so hard. So in this video I'm going to show you how German windows looks like, and I hope you love it and don't mind the way my window looks like from outside. It's because I have a garden out there. Let me say it? And in that place we have a lot of spiders, and I don't normally open this window. If I want fresh air, I open the sitting room one because it has a net. I'm going to show you it has a net. After you open the window, there is a black net there. So that black net doesn't allow any flies to enter the room. So meanwhile, guys, today I want to show you something. Don't mind the way my window looks like. Don't mind, but focus on what I want to tell you. So it's about this German windows. So guys, do you know German windows you can open? They have something you can open like this, and you just pull it. Yeah, you see? I don't open this window because of cobwebs and spiders, because I live in Erdgeschoss on the first floor, and there are a lot of, you see those things outside there? Even if you clean outside, you'll be disturbing your soul. So I'm like showing you something. So German windows, they are so big, in case of fire you can just open like the way I showed you, and you can just come out. So that's the one way of opening the window. And then there's also this way. You take it up like that, and then you see how I made it? Umkippen. So when it is cold and you wanna have a little bit of fresh air, you just do it like that, the way I did it, and it is open. Some air is coming in. So guys, those are the two ways you can about the German windows. Then I take it back, and now it's closed. Now it's closed. And then I want to show you something. So you see that up there, there's this thing. This one is for taking your festa, closing your okay, how do I call jalousie? Rollladen. So you see that? It's like closing. You have to roll like this. I'm rolling like this, like that manually, and then it's closing. You see? So we have to take that down. When you take that down, the whole house will be dark. So especially when I have my headache, I normally have migraines. So that's what I usually do. So that's the German Rollladen. Just take it like that, and the whole place will be dark, as if it's at night. Let me show you so that you see what I'm trying to say. Let me show you so that you see everything I'm trying to show you. So guys, that's how now it's totally dark. Now it's totally dark. So now we are opening it again. It's going up. It's going up. So you have to turn it and turn it and turn it until it is going up, until it is up there. Don't mind my English. So now it's up there. I have a nice view of the park. So guys, that's how you do it. And we have places where they don't have this chuma, they don't have this thing. They have a electronic one. They just press, and this thing goes up, and then they just press down, this thing goes down. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking your time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment. Let me know how your window is. Is it the one you take it down normally, or is it the one you just have to do the way I'm doing? You see this water near my window? When you're sleeping, you're always dehydrated, so I always try to put some water there so that the house na joto yote is tukunywe the water we have in our body, so that our body stays hydrated. So that's why I always put water there, especially during winter time. It is usually very cold, and you need that water there because I always leave my heater to one. This is the heater. So guys, this is the heater that I'm talking about. During winter time, I normally put I normally leave it up to 5. Up to 5 like that during winter time. During the day, when I want to go and sleep, I always switch it to 2 or to 1. So that's why I always put that water there, because I don't want to be dehydrated at night when I'm sleeping. Otherwise, I hope you have enjoyed the view, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is on my sitting room. I don't know if you can see that net. There's a net there. I don't know if you can see that black net here. So this black net over here is used to prevent the flies from coming inside.